When it comes to photography, choosing the right DSLR camera is an important decision. A good DSLR camera will not only help you take great photos, but it will also provide you with a range of features and capabilities that will enhance your overall photography experience. One of the main benefits of DSLR cameras is their ability to capture high-quality images with great detail and clarity. They also offer a range of creative controls, such as manual exposure and focus, which allow you to fine-tune your shots and get the exact look you want. Another advantage of DSLR cameras is their versatility. They can be used for a wide range of subjects, from portraits and landscapes to sports and action. Some DSLR cameras even have video capabilities, allowing you to shoot high-quality video footage as well. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to choose the right DSLR camera. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 3 best DSLR cameras of 2023 for you. You can find links to each product in the description below. These cameras offer a combination of excellent image quality, advanced features, and value for money, making them the best choices for photographers of all skill levels. So if you're in the market for a new DSLR camera, be sure to check out our top picks. Number 3. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV Full-Frame Digital SLR Camera. First of all, let's talk about the image quality. This camera boasts a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which allows for versatile shooting in a wide range of lighting conditions. The ISO range of 100 to 32,000 can even be expanded to 50 to 102,400, giving you even more flexibility in low-light situations. Next, let's talk about video capabilities. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV can shoot 4K motion JPEG video at 30p or 24p, and even allows you to grab still frames from your video footage at a whopping 8.8 megapixels. If 4K isn't quite what you're looking for, the camera also has options for Full HD up to 60p and HD up to 120p. One thing that sets this camera apart is its dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which provides smooth and responsive autofocus during video or live view shooting. The LCD monitor also has a full touchscreen interface, making it easy to select your autofocus area on the fly. In terms of performance, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV doesn't disappoint. It can shoot at up to 7.0 frames per second continuous shooting speed, and is equipped with a high-performance Digic 6 Plus image processor for improved speed and excellent image quality. But wait, there's more. The EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, available for both Mac and Windows, allows you to turn your Canon EOS 5D Mark IV into a high-quality webcam. Alternatively, you can use the clean HDMI output for the same purpose. Overall, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a fantastic camera for both stills and video. Its impressive image quality, video capabilities, and performance make it a great choice for photographers and videographers alike. If you're in the market for a full-frame DSLR, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T8i EFS 18 to 55mm ISSTM lens kit. This is a great camera for first-time users or those looking for an affordable upgrade. It features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a Digic 8 image processor, which work together to deliver high-quality photos and videos. The ISO range of 100 to 25,600 is expandable to 51,200, giving you flexibility in a variety of lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the EOS Rebel T8i is its 45-point all-cross-type AF system, which is supported by Face and Eye Detection AF. This ensures that you'll be able to accurately and quickly lock onto your subject, whether it's a fast-moving pet or athlete, or a group of friends or family. The camera is also capable of high-speed continuous shooting at up to 7 frames per second. For vloggers or social media users, the EOS Rebel T8i offers 4K 24p video capability and vertical video support. This makes it easy to capture high-quality videos that can be uploaded and shared with the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. The EOS Rebel T8i also has an optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage, allowing you to easily compose your shots. And if you're interested in using your camera as a webcam, the EOS Utility Webcam software, available for both Mac and Windows, can turn the EOS Rebel T8i into a high-quality webcam. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T8i EFS 18-55mm ISSTM lens kit is a great camera for first-time users or those looking for an affordable upgrade. Its high-quality image and video capabilities, along with its advanced AF system and vertical video support, make it a must-have tool for bringing your photos and videos to life. Number 1. Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera. One of the standout features of this camera is its 26.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS image sensor, which captures images with a pixel size of 5.67 m². This results in outstanding detail and a superb signal-to-noise ratio, giving you great images every time. The sensor is also capable of sensitivities ranging from ISO 100 to ISO 40000, which can be expanded to L50 and H2 102400 for even more flexibility in different lighting conditions. The EOS 6D Mark II also has an optical viewfinder with a 45-point all-cross type AF system, which makes it easy to accurately focus on your subject. This AF system has enhanced low light sensitivity to EV-3 at the center AF point, so you'll be able to get great shots in a wide range of lighting conditions. The camera is compatible with Canon EF lenses, excluding EFS and EFM lenses, giving you plenty of lens options to choose from. In terms of video, the EOS 6D Mark II has dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection, as well as full HD 60p capability. The Digic 7 image processor helps to ensure that you get excellent image quality, and the ISO range of 100 to 40,000 can be expanded for even more flexibility. One thing that sets this camera apart is its built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as NFC, which makes it easy to share your photos and videos. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor also makes it easy to compose and review your shots. The EOS 6D Mark II comes with a variety of accessories, including an iCup, camera cover, wide strap, battery pack, battery charger, and printed matter unit. The standard power supply is the LPE6N battery pack, which should provide plenty of power for your shooting needs. Overall, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a great camera for photographers of all skill levels. Its high-resolution image sensor, advanced AF system, and full HD video capabilities make it a top choice for capturing great photos and videos. The built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as NFC, make it easy to share your shots, and the 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor makes it easy to compose and review your images. If you're in the market for a full-frame DSLR, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our video on the top 3 best DSLR cameras of 2023. We hope you found this information helpful in your search for the perfect camera. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest photography reviews and tips. We have a lot of great content coming up, and we don't want you to miss a thing. Thanks again for watching, and happy shooting.